If you've ever received a zip file in Telegram and weren't sure how to open it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download a Telegram zip file on your computer, find it in your folder, and extract it so you can access the contents inside. This is a super simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can feel confusing the first time. So let's walk through it step by step. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start with downloading the file. First, open Telegram on your PC and go to the chat where the zip file was sent. Inside the conversation, you'll see the ZP attachment. All you need to do is click the download icon on the zip file. Once you click it, Telegram will begin downloading the file to your device. Now, very important, wait until the download is fully complete. If you try to open it too early, the file may not work properly, or it may not show up in the right place yet. So give it a moment to finish downloading before moving on to the next step. Once the download is done, you need to locate the file on your computer. To do that, right-click the completed zip file inside Telegram and choose Show in Folder. This is one of the easiest ways to find the exact location where Telegram saved the file on your PC. After you click that option, File Explorer will open and take you directly to the downloaded zip file. Now that you've found the file, it's time to extract it. A zip file is basically a compressed folder, which means the contents are packed together to save space. To open it properly, right-click the zip file in File Explorer. From the menu that appears, select Extract All. A new window will appear asking you where you want to save the extracted files. Choose the destination folder you prefer. You can leave it in the default location if that's easiest, or select a different folder if you want to keep things organized. Once you've chosen the folder, click Extract. Windows will now unzip the file and create a new folder with the contents inside. After the extraction finishes, open the new unzipped folder that pops up, and you'll be able to view all the files that were inside the Telegram zip file. That's it. You've now successfully downloaded a zip file from Telegram, found it on your computer, and opened it by extracting the contents. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.